My friends left me. I've been at this rodeo for 4 hours by myself. Sorry.
Oh my God, Chapel Roan. Yes, I am Chapel Roan. Planet Earth is a fun place to be. It made me a mother. Hey, listen, can we talk later? I'm working late. Oh, yeah. I'll clock in too.
What? You can't put
It doesn't fit anymore. Will you show me the way? Yeah, wow, your next album must be so good because you're looking great. Yeah, it's called I Can't Breathe in This Thing.
Lord, this has been a really great date, but
Yeah, thanks.
if I'm being honest,
Do you want any wine or anything?
oh, no more wine, thank you.
No more wine?
No more,
Okay.
no. You just, Lord, you didn't look anything like your pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to see what I look like unedited.
Wait, this is you edited?
Yes. Trust me, there's a lot of things working inside of me to make me look beautiful right now.
Yay!
Where's that little girl that looks like a porcelain doll?
Yeah, where is that?
Well, why don't you try revulsing the polarity? Hey, can I just say, dating on this planet's been really hard, and it's just really nice to meet an alien that's just so free and so authentically you.
And unedited?
Yes, unedited, yes. Anyway, I was wondering if you'd want to go on a second date.
Yes.
Yes? Seriously? Wow. Great. Can I...
Meryl, I'm Marilyn. Julie! Julie! I can't find the pipe!
Oh, honey, I've got the pipe.
You got the pipe?
Meryl, I have the pipe.
I came here to lost in the Home Depot.
I was in the toilet section, Meryl.
Well, you shouldn't be. Amanda and I lost our minds.
Marilyn! The pipe, Marilyn! Marilyn!
Julie!
What's going with you, Marilyn?
I don't know, Julie.
Marilyn! Oh, Marilyn! I think I shit in the toilet section, Marilyn.
Oh, I did too, Julie. We're gonna have to clean that
Well,
off.
I'll put it in the paint, Marilyn.
Okay, and time.
We definitely somehow smoked the cake. We killed that.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, I want to go home, baby. I want to go home. Baby's here all day, baby. I just want to go. Baby.
You shouldn't be on my planet.
So, my parents are coming next week. Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Oh, baby. I know how you feel about religion, but I promise that will not change what's between us. Zephyr, no, I would never make you do that. Baby, turn your tentacles to me. Yeah. I understand. I wasn't thinking of it that way.
I want to get some for some wild lines. Can you get near the mic? Ew. Nice. That was
You left me. I've been in the parking lot for an hour. You said you were gonna go get food for us. And I've been out here for...
Is that your jacket? Is that your jacket?
It's not my jacket. Some nice girl gave it to me because I was freezing.
Commander, I'm here. I got your money from the planet.
I'm a little baby! I'm a little baby! I'm a little baby! And I'm a baby!
Do the face. Do the face. Yeah. Yeah, you love your mommy. Yeah. Yeah, I love your mommy too. Yes, I do. You're gonna. Hey, hey. Oh, okay. Well, it's my turn to change it. So. Hey, you go have a good night to yourself. Go. Okay. I'll clean it up. Don't even worry about it. Seriously, do not even worry about it. I got it. You go have a night to yourself. Galactic Girls Night. Shit.
Tommy! Shut up!
What?